If you want to see all the property of this one, like what and all things are changed, you can click this arrow button here, okay, this side. If you click that one, you will get the summary. Okay, in summary you can see it is showing all the detail, like X location, how it is changed. See, it is changed here. Okay, then after that, here to here, this particular line, no, this particular yellow line, it indicates there is no change between this to this. Okay, like this key to this key, there is no changes. For example, this is X location, Y location, Z location. You can see here X location, Y location, Z location. While I am moving here, you can see these are constant. This is not changing up to where? Up to here. After this, there is no yellow line. That means there is a changes. You can see it is changing. Okay, but here you can see on the scale from here to here, there is no changes. You can see the scale here. So there is no changes at all till here, but after that we have, okay, you are getting, these are the change, I mean no changes indicates, means at this position for X, Y, Z location there is no changes. Here we have changes to all. See, almost you can see this is one, but see there is one more thing. See, it is changing here. Okay, that means, see, now in scaling you can see it is changing. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, these are the main thing. Now you got to know like how to add the changes to your transform. So now one more thing, see, if I am doing that, I am hitting right, I am hitting I, see, I am taking this one, grab, I am doing some here, something here. Let me go here. Okay, I will grab this one, I will do changes here. If I hit I, at that time it will add keyframe to only this location, rotation and scale. Okay, it won't change any other detail. All other detail are same only. Okay, there is, it won't add any animation to other property. Okay, only location, rotation, scale ko it will add. Now okay, these are like you got to know like what exactly it is. Let me do one thing. I selected all. Okay, and I will delete. Okay, so one more thing I will show you. See, let me select all these like to 0 and these to 0, these to 1. Okay, 1 I will do. Now see, no need to, like, it is not mandatory that you should add a keyframe at 1. No, you can add it, you can start it from 30 also, not issue. So in 30 I will add one keyframe. At that time, like 0 to 30, it won't change nothing, it won't change anything. And in 60 I will do like grab over Y, I will change this one, I will hit I. At that time, like it is changing. Now if you want reverse, like see, it came till here, now again it has to go back. At that time what you can do, let's take on 90th frame, should go to the same. At that time what you can do, you can copy this value. Okay, you can copy any value. So what I am doing, I am just selecting all, Control C, Control V. Okay, so these value came here. Then now you can see here all are 0. Here Y direction is changing, again it is coming back. Okay, okay, and again in 120 you want this value. What you can do, you can either copy, Control C, Control V you can do, or else right click, duplicate you can do. At that time you will get like this. What I am doing, I am taking here. Okay, I can see it is coming here, it is going back, again it is coming here. Okay, so copy and duplicate you can do. You got right. So let me delete all. And we have something like property animation. Property animation means these are also property, these are property, but these are like transform property. Transform means location, rotation, scale property. Okay, let me take this one to 0 only. Okay, But if you want to add any other property, for example, let me go to like material. If you want to add any animation, how to do? So let me add one material for now. So I will add one material. So material is added, and I will change it to material. We put shading here. I will change the color to something called as red. I changed, okay. And if you want to add any animation to this particular value, what you can do? You can see there is small dot here, okay. So it indicate it has animation property. So what I will do, I will add this one, okay. One key I added, and I will come to almost 60. Then what I will do, I will change the color to something like blue. I will change, and if I add one more time, that time you can see it is adding the animation to your other property. Now same way, like we can wherever you are seeing this points, no, the beside point. So here and all you can add the animation property, but for example here I don't have, so I cannot add, okay. And one more thing, see, in order to add any animation, for example here for base color I added the animation using this point, clicking this point, right? Instead what I can do, I can do one more thing. So here I came to 90 and I will change this one to green color. Then you just to go to this particular box and hit I. At that time it will add animation to this only, okay. This is like if you come here and if you click I, it will add to your transformation, this one. But if you specifically go to that particular option and if you hit I, it will add to that one, okay. You can see now, see it is getting changed, okay. But let me show, I will go to 120 here. For this normal, if I hit I, okay, so button doesn't appear, so this one is not possible. Or else what I will do, resolution I will go, if I hit I, at that time it will show resolution X, property cannot be animated, okay. Can see, so such things you cannot animate, but most of them you have option to animate it. Here and all you have option to animate. So these are like property animation. So right now we added a property animation. I can add this other object animation also. Object animation means, see, while changing the color only, here what I will do, I will hit I here I will hit I. At that time it will add animation to my transformation, okay. Then I will go to almost 70, grab, and I will keep here. I will hit again I. At that time it will add animation to this one. So while other property like material and all it is changing, no, at that time we can animate this location and other things also. So altogether is also possible like that, okay. It is not like you can do one at a time, no, you can do multiple, all animation you can do at once. So this is done. So you saw like how to do property level of animation, object level of animation. Now we are seeing like shape level of animation, okay. How to change the shape. So this is not that easy as you think, okay. So it is not direct also, it is like little bit change. Now what I will do, I will come to this one, or else let me delete all, okay. If you want to like select all, see, just now I deselected everything. If you want to select all, what you can do, you can hit A, then you can delete, okay. Control Z again. And one more thing I will show you, see, for example now these are datas, it is added, no, you see here and all you have spaces, okay. Now if you want to give same ratio of space, means, see, whatever space we have here, it is lesser than this space, right? So same way you want, but you want more gaps. At that time what you can do, you can select all, and if you hit yes na, then you can give the size. At that time what it will do, it will change the space between each, but that ratio it will keep, okay, it will keep like this. And one more thing I will show you, like for example right now you want to reverse everything. At that time what you can do, you can do one more thing, hit yes, and like you are making smaller and reverse. Okay, then what you can do, you can grab this one, grab and take it to this side, so it is ulta. See, now it is ulta. Okay, like this also you can do, Control Z. Okay, so these are some techniques. So just now I just mentioned, that's all. Okay, or else see, for example if you want to reverse this one, that you can do yes, hit yes, and you can do this way, and you just grab. What you can do, you can select this one, grab and take it here wherever you want. Like this also you can do. Okay, yes means it will give the space between each keyframes. Control Z, like this. Okay, now what I will do, I will select all and I will hit delete.